Okay, so I just bought a Mini Cooper, or a Clubman to be more specific. Apparently it doesn't crank. It seems to be extremely dead. This is the front of the car. Here's the battery. You got one nut here, and then another one right here. How is it supposed to wiggle?
Why are you standing on a cord? Why are you standing on a cord?
Okay, well now we got access to the battery. And the next thing is we're gonna take this off right here. And this one's already free too. So next, I just need to keyman it out of there, I guess. And try not to hit the hood. Some attachment on the back. There we go. That's it. Positive goes on the left. Okay, it's in. Now I'm gonna lock it down. This little jobber here. Everything that I've had to use so far just uses the 10mm though. At least that's easy. Okay. Okay, this might spark just a little bit when I put this one on. Yep, there it goes. It's live. Got a weasel back on there. Under the wiper arm. There we go. bolt here, or nut. Then back here. That one's on. That one's on. Okay. There we go. It's back in place.